All right, what's up, all you cool cats and kittens? Little throwback to right when coronavirus started there. Tiger King, huh? I just got back from the John Deere dealership. Got my $300 bag of goodies here. Gonna start throwing some bearings in that I can anyways. There's 3 here that I can throw in. And then gotta wait for parts, I think, from Shoop. They should be coming in today at some point. So that should be all of the parts that I need for the planter. Redoing this whole counter shaft here, basically the main drive. Redoing all the bearings since we have it out, and all the sprockets and all that stuff. So that is the plan initially anyways. We'll just have to kind of see. Anyways, let's get to it. All right, this is one of the new bearings, but I put the old bolts and nuts in on, well, 2 of them on anyways, and they weren't going on very nice. So bought all new nuts and bolts for this too. So take these out, hopefully, if they'll actually come out. Okay, well that came out a lot easier than it was going on. Okay. Now. I can't find the hole. Typical. Oh. Okay. That one's on. I already put this one on. Got to do that one yet, but we're gonna wait till those other parts come for when I have the shaft completely pulled out and stuff. So I guess now we shall wait for some parts again. All right, well, since my parts still aren't here for the planter, I guess I got this little Boss soundbar deal for my Razor because the speakers that are in it don't work, and I didn't really like them that much anyways. Stay. I'm gonna eventually hook it up to the battery so it just turns on with the key, but I just want to try it out with the little cigarette lighter first here. Okay, well, this is what she looks like, all mounted up from this angle. Tell me what you guys think. It kind of, I don't know, I think it looks pretty decent actually. Until I caught the bitch cheating on me. So give me back my cocaine, give me back my whiskey. Forget about the time when you almost missed me. Give me back my... Alright, well, unfortunately, my camera died and I didn't have time to stop while the batteries were charging. So, basically, got the counter shaft all put back together here. Got this bearing, new bearing in there, and it's all tightened up. These will be, well, this will sit over here, and then these tighten down to hold that in place. That chain will go over this sprocket. That's the main drive right there.
This is a transmission sprocket right here. It'll be sitting over here a little bit more. It's still slid out. Same thing as that other one on the other side. It's main drive. And then now I just need to get this old bearing off and get the new one on. But as you can, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's super mushroomed out on the shaft here. So I'm gonna have to, and I think my grandpa or my uncle or somebody stole my grinder. So I'm gonna have to wait probably to get that bearing off and the new one on until I have my grinder back. So I guess besides getting some equipment home and maybe hauling a few more loads of corn until it dries out here, which sounds like we're gonna get like another 3 inches of rain next week. Until it dries out, we can start stock chopping. I guess we're pretty much ready to roll for now anyways. So anyways, sorry, forgot to grab my camera after it died, but so it's kind of been a boring vlog. I guess we'll wait for Maddie to get here and maybe we'll take this thing out for a spin, and I don't know. We'll see where the night takes us.
You look so ugly.
You guys want to see something funny?